In this video I share a very easy method for a soap bag using crochet. This is an example of a bag I made with hemp twine for a scrubby kind of feel and exfoliation. And today we try jute twine, also very exfoliating. If you never did crochet before, you might want to start with cotton though. We are going to start by making the so-called chains, and if you never did crochet before, don't worry, I didn't either. And if I could do it by just watching a video, so can you. You start with a slip knot and then wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through the loop. Just like that. You wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through the loop. You want to continue until you reach a length exceeding the length of your soap generously. It is better to have a slightly bigger bag than to have one that is too tight. You want to make 3 extra chains once you reach the desired length and then go back 3 loops. The one where your hook is in does not count as a loop. Go back 3, yarn over like so, and insert the hook into the 3rd stitch. Pull up and make a half double crochet stitch, meaning you have 3 loops and you pull your yarn through all of them. You make a second one into the same stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up and pull the hook through all 3 loops. And you repeat this one more time into the same 3rd stitch. Now you continue doing the same half double crochet stitch until you reach the next to the last stitch on the other end of the bag. Now we make 3 half double crochet stitches in the last stitch. Same exact stitch as we did, but just we do 3 into the same stitch. Now, as you can tell, this is the bottom of our bag and the soap fits well. Next thing to do is to build the sides of the bag. And this is very easy. You just continue making the exact same half double crochet stitch, but you only grab the back of the stitch. You see this kind of V shapes, and we only take the back part and we continue to make the half double crochet stitch, and from here on all the way around to build the height of the bag. It's a very relaxing activity, and like I said, anybody can learn this just by watching this video. Keep in mind though that this is jute twine, so it's not the easiest to begin with, and you might want to consider starting with a cotton yarn. But it's not impossible, I started with jute too. I'm checking the height from time to time. This will help me to estimate how much longer I need to continue. It took me about an hour in total, and I'm a total beginner. Now that the soap is fully covered, I want to go ahead and add a few more rows because I want to add a string at the top to be able to tie the bag together. You will see this in just a moment. Now we are ready to complete the bag. So I add the hook into the stitch, pull the yarn through the loop, and this creates a knot. I take my needle and I sew the string into the bag to make it vanish. Then I cut off the excess. Now I grab a needle and weave it through the upper part of the bag to create the string. I finish off by tying a knot and I'm done. This type of soap bag is exfoliating at the same time. Another possibility with exfoliating properties is hemp twine, as you can see here. And if you want something more soft, you can make a cotton bag, great just as a soap saver. I think it's a great project to add to your soap making, a handmade soap bag for your handmade soap. If you are interested in other soap making related videos, check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you very soon. Bye!